Here are tips for dealing with the crypto season. What is crypto seasonality? Crypto season is the perception that Bitcoin will go up and down over a period of time, drastically affecting the crypto market as a whole. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency in the world, as well as the first cryptocurrency. It has a lot of value locked into it all times, and all subsequent coins, otherwise known as altcoins, are tied to it in some way. It affects everyone, but whether it's good or bad depends on your investment's personality. Crypto season can be seen as both good and bad, depending on your investment perspective and personality. How the crypto season affects investors. The crypto season might force Bitcoin-only investors to gamble on the altcoin market. When the price of Bitcoin fell, investors were almost forced into the altcoin market to continue making profits. Through the crypto storm, one crypto seasonal solution is in the form of assets that are constantly accumulating. While there may be multiple solutions to crypto season, one crypto startup seasonal token is developing a potentially safer alternative to traditional trading methods. The seasonal token is designed to go up and down over 9 months, hoping to provide investors with a more stable alternative to Bitcoin's downtrend.